13 to 16 series Face ID activation, read and write adapter, operation guide. Global debut, 16 series tag on Face ID repair FPC. In this video, we will demonstrate with 16 PM tag on Face ID repair FPC and the 13 to 16 series Face ID activation, read and write adapter. The Face ID of this 16 Pro Max is unavailable. Remove the front camera assembly. Put on camera protection stickers. Buckle the front camera assembly on the corresponding socket of 13 to 16 series Face ID activation, read and write adapter. The test results show that the chip is fusing. Since we have activated it before, all of the above data displays as normal. If it is not activated, the result will be shown as abnormal, as shown in the picture. Before activation, click Save to save the Face ID data locally or in the cloud. After saving data, connect mobile phone to view once Pro. Click More. Activate and repair. It shows normal, done. If it's not activated, click Activate to activate the Face ID. Then buckle the 16 PM tag on Face ID repair FPC on the front camera assembly. Then buckle it on the corresponding socket. We can see the FPC function is normal now. Then write the saved data to the repair FPC. Click Open File. Click Local File or Cloud File as needed. Select the data that was saved just now. Confirm to write. After the data is written successfully, install and check. Remove the rear assembly and ladder before installation, so that we can install the front assembly and repair FPC easily. Firstly, fold the FPC. Then fold the front assembly that needs to be connected to the FPC onward. Buckle the FPC in the phone. Then fold the front assembly that needs to be connected to the FPC inward. Place it in the phone. Connect the repair FPC to the socket of the front assembly. Install the rear assembly and ladder. Boot up the phone to check. Face ID is working now.